This presentation provides a comprehensive roadmap to landing your dream job in 30 days, even without prior experience. The experience paradox. According to Indeed, 40% of entry-level jobs require 3+ years of experience, creating a challenging barrier for newcomers. Breaking the timeline. While the average job search takes 5 months, BLS, our focused approach can help you secure a position in just 30 days. LinkedIn research reveals that 85% of jobs are filled through networking. Strong connections can open doors and create opportunities that wouldn't be available otherwise. Soft skills, including communication, teamwork, and problem-solving, are vital for job success. These skills are transferable across industries and can be honed through various experiences. CareerBuilder reports that 61% of employers are willing to hire and train the right candidates. This means companies are looking for individuals with potential, eagerness to learn, and a positive attitude. This plan outlines daily tasks to maximize job search efficiency, focusing on high-impact activities. It emphasizes accountability and tracking progress to stay motivated and on track. Before launching into applications, take a strategic approach to identify your strengths and target the right opportunities. Document your soft skills. Start by listing your top 5 soft skills, such as communication, problem-solving, teamwork, and adaptability. These skills are essential for any job and can be honed through various experiences. Match skills to jobs. Match your skills to the job requirements. Analyze job descriptions and identify the skills that employers are seeking. This helps you tailor your resume and highlight relevant experiences. Create a skills-based resume. Create a skills-based resume using a functional format. This emphasizes your capabilities and allows you to showcase skills that are relevant to the target role, even if you lack direct experience. Focus on entry-level positions. These roles offer valuable experience and often serve as stepping stones to more senior roles within an organization. Internships are an excellent way to gain practical experience, develop skills, and make valuable connections. Many internships lead to full-time job offers. Consider startups and small businesses. They often offer more flexibility in hiring and opportunities to wear multiple hats, providing valuable experience across departments. Utilize job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. These platforms provide a vast pool of potential opportunities and allow you to search based on specific criteria. Set up job alerts to save time and effort. This ensures you're notified of new opportunities as they arise, allowing you to apply quickly before the positions are filled. Master Boolean search operators to refine your search results. Using specific keywords and phrases, you can narrow down your search to relevant opportunities. Industry events. Attend industry events to meet professionals, learn about companies, and build your network. Aim for 2 to 3 events per week to maximize your exposure. LinkedIn groups. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to connect with professionals in your field, participate in discussions, and stay updated on industry trends. Informational interviews. Conduct informational interviews with professionals in your target industry to learn about their experiences, career paths, and insights into the job market. Professional online presence. Develop a consistent digital footprint through a professional LinkedIn profile, well-designed portfolio, and personal website to showcase your expertise. Compelling personal statement. Craft a powerful personal statement that highlights your skills, experience, and career aspirations, tailored to resonate with your target audience. Thought leadership. Share industry-relevant content on LinkedIn regularly, including insightful articles and engaging discussions to establish yourself as a thought leader. Online learning. Take advantage of online courses and certifications to develop in-demand skills from home. Personal projects. Build your portfolio through hands-on projects that demonstrate your capabilities. Volunteer work. Gain real-world experience through volunteering and community involvement. Don't let the lack of formal experience hold you back. There are numerous ways to acquire valuable skills and build a compelling resume. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a wide range of online courses and certifications in various fields. These courses provide a structured learning environment, industry-relevant knowledge, and valuable credentials to add to your resume. 10 to 15 hours. Commit to volunteering 10 to 15 hours per week to gain hands-on experience in your field, build transferable skills, and make connections with like-minded individuals. Create personal projects to explore your passions, develop new skills, and showcase your creativity. Whether it's building a website, designing art, or starting a blog, personal projects not only give you a sense of accomplishment, but also serve as a portfolio of your talents. They help you grow, think creatively, and stand out in personal and professional endeavors. Freelancing and gig work offer flexibility and independence, allowing you to work on projects you're passionate about while setting your schedule. It's a great way to earn income, build skills, and connect with diverse clients. Whether in writing, design, or tech, freelancing empowers you to shape your career on your own terms. Initial outreach. Reach out to 10 professionals in your target field. Explain your interest in their work, your career goals, and your desire to learn from their experience. Job shadowing. Request 1 to 2 days of job shadowing to gain first-hand insight into the day-to-day activities, challenges, and skills required in their role. Resume. Customize your resume to match each job description, using relevant keywords to increase visibility with applicant tracking systems. Cover letter. Write a compelling cover letter that shows your understanding of the company and enthusiasm for the role, addressing specific job requirements. LinkedIn profile. Optimize your LinkedIn presence with a professional photo, compelling headline, and detailed summary aligned with your target roles. Use keywords from job descriptions. Research the job postings and incorporate relevant keywords to increase your chances of being noticed by applicant tracking systems. Highlight achievements and results, not just duties. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible to showcase the impact you've made in previous roles. Include a skills section prominently. This allows you to showcase your transferable skills and demonstrate your ability to contribute to the target role. Address specific job requirements. Highlight how your skills and experience align with the company's needs and the responsibilities outlined in the job description. Share relevant personal stories. These stories can demonstrate your passion, motivation, and ability to overcome challenges, making your application stand out. Explain your passion for the industry. Show your genuine interest and enthusiasm for the field, demonstrating your commitment to a long-term career. A professional photo increases your profile views by 14x, making a positive first impression. Choose a headshot that is clear, well-lit, and portrays a professional image. Write a keyword-rich headline and summary that capture your skills, experience, and career goals. Use keywords that align with your target roles and industries. Get 3 to 5 recommendations from mentors, professors, or previous employers. These endorsements add credibility to your profile and highlight your strengths and accomplishments. Craft a 30-second summary of your skills, experience, and career goals. This concise pitch should highlight your key strengths and your enthusiasm for the opportunity. Practice delivering your pitch until it feels natural and confident. This allows you to confidently introduce yourself in networking events and interviews. Use your elevator pitch in networking events and interviews. This allows you to make a lasting impression and effectively communicate your value proposition. Research the company thoroughly. Understand their culture, values, and recent developments to demonstrate your genuine interest and ability to contribute. Prepare 3 to 5 thoughtful questions for the interviewers. This shows your engagement, curiosity, and willingness to learn more about the company. Practice common interview questions using the STAR method for behavioral questions. Prepare specific examples demonstrating your skills and experience. 30-60-90. Plan. Propose a 30-60-90-day plan outlining your short-term goals and contributions for the role. This demonstrates your proactive approach and your eagerness to make an immediate impact. Send a thank you email within 24 hours of the interview, reiterating your interest in the role and highlighting key qualifications. This demonstrates your professionalism and appreciation for the opportunity. Ask for feedback. This demonstrates your commitment to learning and improvement, providing valuable insights for future applications. Use insights to improve future applications. Analyze the feedback and identify areas for improvement, refining your resume, cover letter, and interview skills. Maintain positive relationships for future opportunities. Even if you weren't successful this time, a professional and courteous demeanor can open doors in the future. Negotiating your first offer is an important step in valuing your skills and setting the tone for your career. Research industry standards, know your worth, and confidently communicate your expectations. Be professional, open to compromise, and focus on more than just salary, such as benefits and growth opportunities. Daily job applications. Submit 3 to 5 targeted applications, each carefully tailored to match the role's requirements. Weekly networking. Attend one networking event and conduct 1 to 2 informational interviews to build valuable connections. Bi-weekly skill building. Enhance your expertise through online courses, projects, and volunteer work. Continuous improvement. Regularly update and refine your application materials based on feedback. Embrace the journey. Remember, success often comes from showing up and putting in the effort. Embrace the challenges and learn from your experiences along the way. Fresh perspectives. Your lack of experience is an asset. It allows you to learn quickly, adapt to new situations, and bring a fresh perspective to any role. Embrace the challenges and don't be afraid to try new things. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, bringing you closer to your goals. Maintain a positive attitude and celebrate small victories. Each step forward, no matter how small, contributes to your overall progress. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the potential to succeed, and with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your career aspirations. Fear of failure is a common obstacle, but it shouldn't paralyze you. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and every successful person has faced challenges and setbacks along the way. Embrace your unique strengths and abilities. Your perspective as a new entrant to the field can be valuable, offering fresh ideas and a different way of approaching problems. Focus on continuous learning and professional development. The more you learn and grow, the more confident and capable you'll become in your chosen field.